Hello and welcome to our very own Crystals and Gemstones workshop. I'm Jao. And I'm Forrest. Put your parachute on because this is going to be a hell of a ride. In this excellent workshop, you will learn a ton about rocks. We'll start with what are rocks, minerals and gemstones. Next, you'll discover how rocks are made in the first place. Then, we'll show you how to get more rocks than you could ever have dreamed possible. The section after that, we'll look at how to identify rocks. That includes how to spot the fake ones that you might come across. Pay attention, because for the grand finale, we'll explore how to trade rocks, how to turn them into jewelry, and we're gonna go full on metaphysical and talk about crystal healing. Before I forget, you asked for it, so we're gonna take you on a behind the scenes VIP exclusive tour of our own collections. So, get your rocks out and let's get started. Are you listening?
Yeah. What was the question again?